Channel 2 came out and did a story on Lunches of Love. At the time, we were very low on juice and water, some of the items that we put in our lunches each day. So they decided to come out, help us with that project, and from that story, we had this tremendous outpouring of generosity from their supporters, from the Houston area, from Fort Bend, all over Texas and all over the world. We had supporters from Australia send in donations of juice and water to help us feed the kids, help us create our sack lunches each day. We are making over 1,800 sack lunches a day, and so we were really in need of juice and water to put in those lunches. We would like to extend a huge thank you to the Houston Christian University community for all of the donations that you brought to us today through the month of June. It is going to be a tremendous help for each of our sack lunches that we are going to be packing for the rest of the summer. And again, we could not do this without groups, HCU, and others in the community. We are very thankful.
Thank you for Lunches of Love.